Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So let's get started with video of AAMusic on how to earn listening to music. Earlier I have shared a video on how to earn, and this is going to be the video where how you can redeem and get the payment proof, or you can have the look of the payment proof at live. First you need to move on to the Spotify and then enable broadcast mode so that will be linked to your AM music and you can start earning. So whenever you link it, you can tap on open our playlist in Spotify and click on shuffle or play music. And let's move to the redeem section. Here, whenever you redeem the payment, it will be delivered within 60 days to you. Like if you are redeeming in August, you will be getting in September and October. So October will be your payment proof getting into your account. So I have redeemed PayPal $5, and earlier I have redeemed $1 Amazon, and it was soon, and this is going to be for 60 days. And whenever you redeem invite your friends, you get 5,000 points for every friend you invite. So you are going to earn more whenever you invite your friend, and you have to increase your levels. Like you have to earn more points and then unlock these levels, and you can start earning more. So here to the next level I need 33,943 points. So this is a huge, but I have to do it to unlock more features or earning more points for listening music. So like this you can earn on this music on this app. That's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, tap on the bell icon.